Problem 8. Find m so that the equation in x, that is x raised to 4 minus 3m plus 2 into x square plus m square is equal to 0, has 4 real roots in AP. If you consider these 4 real roots, using these 4 real roots which are in arithmetic progression, we have to find out the value of m here. The solution for this one, given equation x raised to 4 minus 3m plus 2 into x square plus m square is equal to 0, and call this is equation number 1. And if a is a root of the equation 1, then minus a is also a root of 1, because the equation is, the given equation is a polynomial equation of even degree. That means whenever there is a root a, then its negative part of that is also root of the equation, because each power of x is even number, that is going to be minus of even number is going to be positive number, and hence for every root a, minus a is also root of this one. Since the roots are roots of the equation are in AP, I mean arithmetic progression, then the four roots are of the form minus 3a, minus a, and 3a, because these four numbers are in arithmetic progression whose common difference is 2a. Now, x minus a into x plus a into x minus 3a into x plus 3a is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3m plus 2 into m plus m square, that is equal to 0. I mean, this implies x square minus a square into x square minus 9 a square is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3m plus 2 into m, here x plus m square is equal to 0. This implies x raised to 4 minus 9a square into x square minus a square into x square plus 9a raised to 4 is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3m plus 2 into x plus m square is equal to 0. And this implies x raised to 4 minus 10 a square x square plus 9 a raised to 4 equal to x raised to 4 minus 3m plus 2 into x plus m square is equal to 0. Now compare the coefficient of x square. This is x square. Sorry, x square, x square, x square. I'm very sorry. And compare the coefficient of x raised to 4 and x square. We get comparing coefficients of x raised to 4 and x square and constant term. We get 10m a square is equal to 3m plus 2 and 9a raised to 4 equal to m square. And from this, we can write down a square is equal to 3m plus 2 by 10 and 9a square. So a raised to 4, I can write down a square into a square is equal to m square. And substituting the value of a square here and here, we can get it 9 into 9 into a square is a 3m plus 2 by 10 into 3m plus 2 by 10 is equal to m square. That we can write down here m square equal to 9 by 100 into 3m plus 2 whole square. And this implies 100m square is equal to 9 into 3m plus 2 whole square. And this implies 100m square is equal to 9 into 9m square plus 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12m plus 4. Okay, this I can write down 100m square is equal to 81m square plus 9 into 12 means 108m plus 9 to 4, 36. I'm taking all these right hand terms to the left hand. We will get it 19m square minus 108m minus 36 is equal to 0. Now you can see here, this implies, what is that? Just 1 minute. This implies m square dividing through by 19, that is 108 by 19 m minus 36 by 19 is equal to 0. This, I would like to write down this as m square minus, just I concentrate this term, middle term, that is 114 by 19 minus 6 by 19. Do you agree? 114 by 19 minus 6 by 19 will give 108 by 19. That is m into m minus, I would like to write down 6 into 6 by 19, 36 by 19. That I can write down this way. And this implies m square minus 114 by 19 m plus minus into minus plus 6 by 19 into m minus 6 into 6 by 19 is equal to 0. Why I have taken 114? Because 114 by 19 is equal to 6. And this I would like to write down this as m square minus 114 by 19 into m plus 6 by 19 into m minus, instead of 6 I would like to write down 114 by 19, because 6 can be replaced by 114 by 19 into 6 by 19 is equal to 0. And this implies m into m minus 114 by 19 plus 6 by 19 into m minus 114 by 19 equal to 0. And this implies m minus 114 by 19 into m plus 6 by 19 is equal to 0. This implies m minus 6 into m plus 6 by 19 is equal to 0, because 114 by 19 is equal to 6. And this implies m minus 6 is equal to 0, or m plus 6 by 19 is equal to 0, which gives us the value of m as m equal to 6 or m equal to minus 6 by 19. These are the two values for m we can get from the given data.